Jackie Mumphrey, the real estate maven. Thanks so much for stopping by to learn more about this fabulous property located in Powder Springs, Georgia. For stopping by to learn more about this fabulous home in Powder Springs, Georgia. It is a brick front home with a flat level backyard that's 0.60 of an acre. The home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms on a finished basement with 2-car drive-under garage. It's been recently updated with new colors, plumbing, and electrical. The home has hardwood floors throughout the main level. It features a separate living room, dining room, eat-in kitchen, family room with fireplace, stainless steel appliances, and an entertainment deck in the rear. The property located in Powder Springs is close to Hiram, close to Austell, Georgia, Lithia Springs, and not too far from downtown Atlanta and downtown Douglasville. The asking price for the property is currently at $254,900. You can learn more on our website for this property at 5743 Sullivan Point Drive .isnowforsale.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Visit my website at therealestatemaven.net.